Hey everyone, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Thor have just released the roadmap for the rewards transition for the Thor, the Freya, and the Heimdall nodes. And they've just released this white paper sort of explaining everything which is going on. So what I've done is I've gone through it and I've read it a couple of times. And in this video, I'm going to basically sum up everything that you need to know in a very simple, clear way. It is possible that if you stuff this up or if you miss a date, you could potentially lose half of your rewards. Thor node transition plan. So on February the 14th at 00 UTC, Thor nodes will go through the new model transition and all unclaimed Thor rewards will be cut the same to the Odin transition, but will now be recoverable through the DApp starting February the 15th through to February the 17th. Action by all node owners. So starting on the 15th, all Thor tier node owners must use the special claim button in the DApp to reclaim their reduced Thor rewards. Do not use the normal claim button. They will be taxed at 1%. All unclaimed reduced rewards from the reward rate transition will be forfeited and put into the single-side staking pool to support the protocol. What does all that mean? What that means is, for Thor node owners, on February the 14th at 00, your rewards are going to be reduced for 24 hours. There's nothing that you can do about this. After that 24-hour period, a special claim button is going to come on the DApp, and you have 48 hours to then claim the rewards that got lost because of the transition. These rewards will be taxed at 1%. So it's really, really important. Mark those days in your diary. If you are a Thor node owner, you have that 48-hour period to claim your reduced rewards. Otherwise, they're going to vanish into the staking pool, and you're essentially going to lose your rewards. On February the 17th, so after that 48-hour period, there is another special 24-hour window which will allow you to claim any pending Thor tier rewards at 1% tax rate. After that 24 hours, the 8% flat claim tax is going to come in and the transition is going to be complete. So what does that mean? Well, that means that this 2 days here, February the 15th and February the 16th, is when you can claim your lost rewards, but your node is still earning rewards at this time. So this little window here is going to allow you to claim those rewards at only 1% tax. So in other words, you get 2 days to claim your lost rewards, you get 1 day to claim the rewards that you were earning during that 2 days, and then after that period, the transition of the new rewards would go through, and then it's just going to be an 8% flat tax. For people who have Freya or Heimdall nodes, the process is going to be exactly the same, but just the dates are going to be different. So from the 22nd to the 24th, that is your 48-hour window to claim your rewards that have vanished because of the contract. For Heimdall, it's March the 2nd until March the 4th. You have to use the special claim button to get all your rewards back. You do that, and then you're like, sweet, all my rewards are back. In addition to claiming your rewards to your MetaMask, they're also going to have another feature on the DApp, which they're going to add during these time-specific periods, where you can directly move your unclaimed rewards into the single-sided staking Thor staking pool without having to claim any tax. So that means if you've got a whole bucket load of rewards and you don't want to claim them to do compounding or anything like that, or you want to wait for the price to get higher and you want to earn interest on it, you can move them directly from your nodes straight into the staking pool without having to pay any tax. I'd consider putting that into the staking pool, and I'm really glad that they've got this feature where you can move it directly to the staking pool without having to pay any tax at all. Because you can see, I mean, we all know what's happened with the Odin sort of tax, the Odin rewards change and all that, is that they all just started selling their rewards, I'm assuming, which is why the price has just been going lower and lower and lower and lower. What's really interesting about the market is that people are scared of losses, so they sell and they sell. So it's almost like a bit of self-fulfilling prophecy that the market has here, is that the very fear of the price going down causes people in the market to sell, which is the very thing that makes the price go down. But that's just why I'm going to move my tokens to the staking pool, just so I don't flood the market with more Thor and make the price keep going lower and la la la. But obviously, do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know if my method is the best. This is just sort of the logic that I'm using behind it. If I am wrong, please correct me. Tell me in the comments what might be a better solution. So let's ride this little bit of turbulence together, and I'm sure we'll all get through the other side pretty much unscathed, or a little bit stronger and a little bit wiser. And until next time, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.